संत कबीर दास जी के दोहे। दुख में सुमिरन सब करे, सुख में करे न कोई। जो सुख में सुमिरन करे, दुख काहे को होई। Meaning, Kabir Das ji says that everyone remembers God in times of sorrow, but no one does so in happiness. If God is remembered even in happiness, then why should there be sorrow? बुरा जो देखन मैं चला, बुरा न मिलिया कोई। जो दिल खोजा आपना, मुझसे बुरा न कोई। Meaning, when I went to search for evil in this world, I did not find anyone evil. When I looked into my mind, I found that no one is worse than me. बोली एक अनमोल है, जो कोई बोले जाने। ये तराजू तौली के, तब मुख बाहर आने। Meaning, if one knows how to speak properly, then he knows that speech is a priceless gem. That's why he lets it come out of his mouth only after weighing it in the scales of his heart. तन को जोगी सब करे, मन को बिरला कोई। सब सिद्धि सहजे पाइए, जे मन जोगी होई। Meaning, it is easy to wear saffron clothes on the body, but making the mind a yogi is the task of very few people. If the mind becomes a yogi, then all the achievements are easily achieved. धीरे धीरे रे मना, धीरे सब कुछ होए। माली सींचे 100 घड़ा, तो आए फल होए। Meaning, everything is possible by having patience in mind. Even if a gardener starts watering a tree with 100 pitchers of water, it will bear fruit only when the season comes. कबीर लहरी समंद की, मोती बिखरे आई। बगुला भेद न जाने, हंसा चुनी चुनी खाई। Meaning, Kabir says that the pearls got scattered in the waves of the sea. The heron does not know their secrets, but the swan is eating them selectively. This means that only an expert knows the importance of anything. कबीर तन पंछी भया, जहाँ मन तहाँ उड़ी जाए। जो जैसी संगति कर, सो तैसा ही फल पाए। Meaning, Kabir says that the body of a worldly person has become a bird, and wherever his mind is, the body flies there and reaches there. It is true that one gets the desired results according to his companionship. कबीर बादल प्रेम का, हम पर बरसा आई। अंतरी भीगी आत्मा, हरी भई बनराई। Meaning, Kabir says, the cloud of love came and rained on me, due to which even my conscience got drenched. The entire surroundings became green, I became happy. This is the unique effect of love. Why don't we live in this love? कबीर सीप समंद की, रटे पियास पियास। समुधि तिनका करी गिने, स्वाति बूंद की आस। Meaning, Kabir says that the seashell keeps on thirsting. Swati, carrying the hope of a drop of nakshatra, considers the immense amount of water of the ocean to be equivalent to a straw. The longing to achieve in our mind, the passion to achieve, everything is useless without it. हु तन तो सब बन भया, करम भय कुहांडी। आप हु काटी है, कहे कबीर बेचारी। Meaning, this body is like a forest, our actions are like an axe. In this way we are cutting ourselves. Kabir says this thoughtfully. ऐसा कोई ना मिले, हमको दे उपदेश। भव सागर में डूबता, कर गही काढ़े केस। Meaning, Kabir feels sad for the worldly people and says that he did not find any guide who could preach and pull out these creatures by holding their hair while they were drowning in the worldly ocean. आछे पाछे दिन पाछे गए, हरि से किया न है। अब पछताए होत क्या, चिड़िया चुग गई खेत। Meaning, all the good days passed by in no time, good times passed by, you did not worship God, did not love Him. What will be gained by repenting after the time has passed? were not aware earlier, just like a farmer does not take care of his field and within no time the birds destroy his crop. मैं बड़ी बलाय है, सके तो निकसी भागी। कब लग राखो है सखी, रुई लपेटी आगी। Meaning, ego is a very bad thing. If possible, get away from it and run away. Friend, for how long should I keep this fire ego wrapped in cotton with me? जामन मरण बेचारी करी कूड़े काम निबारी। जिनी पंथु तुझ चाला सोई पंथ संवारी। Meaning, by thinking about birth and death, give up bad deeds. Remember the path on which you have to walk, remember it only, groom it and make it beautiful. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.